Welcome to our exploration of the biomechanics of human skeletal muscle. In this video, we'll dive into how skeletal muscles work together to produce the coordinated movements that allow us to walk, run, and perform everyday activities. Understanding the structure and function of these muscles is key to appreciating the complexity of human motion. We'll start by looking at the overall organization of skeletal muscle, then move into the different types of muscle fibers and their unique characteristics. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of what makes our muscles so powerful and adaptable. Truly understand how muscles generate movement, we need to look at their structural organization. Skeletal muscles are made up of bundles of fibers, each playing a specific role in contraction and force generation. These fibers are organized in a hierarchical manner, starting from the smallest contractile units up to the entire muscle. This organization allows for both strength and flexibility, enabling muscles to respond to different demands. Let's take a closer look at how these components fit together to form a functional muscle. Within each skeletal muscle, fibers are grouped together into bundles called fascicles. Each fascicle is surrounded by connective tissue, which helps transmit the force generated by the muscle fibers to the tendons and bones. This arrangement not only provides support but also allows for efficient communication between fibers during contraction. The connective tissue layers play a crucial role in maintaining the integrity and function of the muscle as a whole. Let's visualize how these bundles are structured and how they contribute to muscle performance. Zooming in further, we can see that each muscle fiber contains even smaller structures called myofibrils. These myofibrils are composed of repeating units known as sarcomeres, which are the basic contractile units of muscle. The precise arrangement of these units gives skeletal muscle its striated appearance and is essential for the muscle's ability to contract efficiently. The interaction between the proteins actin and myosin within the sarcomeres is what ultimately generates movement. Understanding this microscopic structure helps explain how muscles can produce both powerful and precise actions. Connection between muscle fibers and tendons is vital for movement. Tendons are strong bands of connective tissue that attach muscles to bones, transmitting the force generated by muscle contractions to create motion at the joints. This seamless connection ensures that when a muscle contracts, the resulting force is efficiently transferred, allowing for smooth and coordinated movement. The integrity of this connection is essential for both everyday activities and athletic performance. Let's see how this relationship is visualized in anatomical diagrams. Skeletal muscles are made up of different types of fibers, each with unique properties. The main types are slow-twitch type I and fast-twitch type II fibers. Slow-twitch fibers are designed for endurance and can sustain activity for long periods without fatigue. Fast-twitch fibers, on the other hand, are built for speed and power, contracting quickly but tiring more rapidly. The balance of these fiber types in a muscle determines its overall performance characteristics, influencing whether it's better suited for endurance or explosive movements. Fast-twitch fibers, also known as FT fibers, reach peak tension and relax much more quickly than slow-twitch or SD fibers. FT fibers are capable of generating higher peak tensions, making them ideal for activities that require bursts of strength or speed, such as sprinting or jumping. In contrast, SD fibers are more resistant to fatigue and are better suited for activities like distance running or maintaining posture. The proportion of these fibers varies from person to person and can influence athletic abilities. Let's break down the characteristics of the main muscle fiber types. Type I or slow-twitch fibers contract slowly, resist fatigue, and have a small diameter. They are rich in mitochondria and have low glycolytic enzyme concentration. Type IA fibers are fast-twitch, oxidative glycolytic with intermediate fatigue resistance and diameter. Type IB fibers are fast-twitch, glycolytic with the fastest contraction speed, largest diameter, and highest glycolytic enzyme concentration, but they fatigue quickly. These differences explain why some muscles are better for endurance and others for power. Summary: the biomechanics of skeletal muscle involve a complex interplay between structure and function. The organization of muscle fibers, the types of fibers present, and their unique characteristics all contribute to the muscle's ability to produce coordinated movement. Whether you're an athlete aiming for peak performance or simply interested in how your body works, understanding these principles can help you appreciate the remarkable capabilities of human muscle. This knowledge is not only foundational for biomechanics but also for health, fitness, and rehabilitation.